Hey guys, welcome to Hard Solution, and in this video we're going to show you guys how you can remove Truecaller as your default dialer. So go to Truecaller and then tap on this here and then click on settings. After that you see caller ID, click on that. From there tap on classic pop-up and then go back to your settings and then search for app management and then go to app management and then search for Truecaller and then go to permissions, and in phone just click on don't allow. From then go back again into app management and then you see default apps, click on that, and then the phone app, tap on this one. It says default phone app but it's set to Truecaller. All you have to do is choose it back to phone, and that is how you can remove Truecaller as your phone default dialer. This is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and until then, take care.